Guys, it is PaP o'clock time. Yes, you guys, I told you in my previous vlog that I was making PaP for storage for my children. So yeah, we're just trying to sort out the PaP because my girls are going to blend. So this is going to be a mixed green PaP.
Welcome beautiful people. You guys, it's the start of a new vlog, and my girls just came back. They went to grind the PaP, so they just came back here, and let me show you guys what it looks like, because a lot of people have even asked me for this PaP. In fact, starting from my colleagues and a couple of other people have asked me. I'm supposed to even send some PaP to Onyi's house. A lot of people have asked me. If I knew, if I would have done kunu as well. Pepe, if I knew, if you guys would have done kunu. But the water that will come out from the PaP, people should not throw it away. The water that will stay on the PaP, don't throw all away. Keep some. They say it's good to drink. If I knew people were evil, you would have done kunu. Is it not potato? If I been known na for just do kunu, na even zobo self. And make sure you not run and just go and buy pineapple back with this change. If you see 1k 2k pineapple, take from that you put komkom, so we can kuku do zobo as well. Yes. So we can kuku do zobo as well. So yeah, let me show you guys. Action is here.
Wow, Mama, it's pretty.
It's pretty. It's okay. Or send dispatch. Now make the dispatch pick the oil now.
No, the oil I don't get. I won't give her this one what take for house.
Okay.
It will come in this month ended.
Okay, mommy.
I won't give her this one way to house.
Okay, mommy. But counselor tell them now, say may they not just go ahead and dissolve the marriage like that, and maybe for the 2 years where they have to do separation, maybe they can wait and see if there could be changes, and maybe they would not want to go ahead or something. Mommy,
I say may come help and sort her out, but
it definitely will. It definitely will. Staying hydrated. I'm going forward ever. For the Lord has gone ahead of me to make every crooked way straight. It is forward ever, backward never. Oh. You guys, I was about to take you guys to the kitchen and show you guys the process of the PaP, but I received a lovely message from a lovely subscriber that said she was going, in fact she went to the market and she was looking out for Wasiu, you know, and she did not see him, that she wants to bless him financially. Somebody say Boomsy's army. Somebody say Boomsy's army. You guys make what I am doing rewarding. That's what I'm saying. you make the purpose of, you know, even showing up here every week very rewarding. This season, you know, with KK events, no much booking in this month of May, and I've been praying to God, and I was just believing God that, you know, bookings will come. You guys know, of course, my job is a consistent thing, so of course, you know, by the end of the month, salary will enter. But my YouTube as well, which is another cherished, you know, business and platform of mine, you guys make it meaningful to me. And why you guys give me reason to come here, show up and do what I do, because I am now even seeing that I'm even a source of blessings to a lot of people. Look at my meat man. To God be all the glory. I'm going forward, forward ever, for the Lord has gone ahead of me to make every crooked way straight. So it is forward ever, backward never. Oh. Let me take you guys to this thing. I heard that what they call it. I heard that PaP, let me take my phone. PaP water is very good, so I'm even going to be drinking some as I'm heading to the kitchen now. I'm going to be drinking some of it. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay. Let me show you guys. My girl came to remove the water from this one that was already, the water was so much. She came and removed the water, but let me take out some. They say it's probiotics and I should never throw them away, so let me take out some and drink. See what it's looking like now. See, I was able to get out some, not even enough. I wish I could even get out more. My girl did not know that I wanted to store it in the fridge and be drinking it, so she threw it away. But yeah. Like kunu. It's kunu.
A few moments later.
Guys, by the time you watch this process, see the way I'm sweating. Can you see? By the time you watch this process, you say, moms, it's so simple. By the time you watch this process, please don't go to the market and start pricing PaP 100 naira. That one, just know they did not take their time to do it for you. By the time you watch, say, so simple. What's the, let me go and do it. Go and do it. But that's why when I make it a lot that at least can last my kids for 6 months. Before I will now reignite my energy, me and my girls will do it again. But yeah, I've tied it. When it gets strong, like when it hardens, I will now put them inside Ziploc bag. So yeah.
The next day.
Mommy, you want to remove it inside? Let someone help you.
Okay, can you excuse me?
When I think about the things that you show me, my imaginations have come to reality. Oh my God, oh, you do this one, oh, oh, you do this one, oh, eh. When I think about the love that you show me, my imaginations have come to reality. Oh my God, oh, you do this one, you. Oh, you do this one. Hey guys, good morning. Hold on, you guys, it's raining outside, so I had to just carry my wig inside this nylon, so that, because you know what, once water touches a well curled or laid wig, a well curled wig, not laid, once water touches a curled wig, the curls will drop, so I had to safeguard it too. Morning my people. I think I mentioned to you guys that someone reached out for Wasiu, so I'm calling him. Yeah, I'm calling him because usually he doesn't have an active account that I can send the money to. So if he's in the market, I know who to send it to, a POS that will give him the money cash. But if he's at home, which I suspect he would be, if he's at home, I'm trying to call him, if he's at home, which I suspect he would be, I usually will send it to any POS around, and then they will be able to withdraw the money for him and go and give it to him, you know, and buy certain things. So someone else reached out, you know, to bless Wasiu. The person was like, she came into Nigeria when she went to the market to do a few shopping. She was even looking out for Wasiu and she did not see him. Thank you guys so much. You know, this blesses me a lot. It really does bless me. I cannot even lie. I'm trying to call, he's not picking, because I'm trying to, you know, get him online. He's not picking. He'll pick. He'll pick. Or he will call back. I'm just trying to call him. Whichever one. He will call back though. But anyways guys, how are you guys? How are you guys doing? You guys could see the pap I was making yesterday. I packaged some to give some people. And then there's a colleague of mine that, you know, requested for pap, so I put some inside here. I'm going to be taking to her. I'm going to be taking to her. My husband was telling me just not so long, he said, your pot and your kitchen is open to everybody. May your children never lack food. May your children never lack food. I said that is how I grew up, oh baby. We don't eat alone, we eat and share. In fact, back then in Port Harcourt, if you see our family house, it's open to everybody, even our friends. Even our friends, if you come, my mother will give you food. My mother will give you food. So most time when you even see me cooking or doing things like this and I'm sharing into Ziploc bag, yes, I will keep the one I will keep for my children, oh, but even if I will say to myself, I say this time around, I'm not going to share with anybody. As she once you just come here and say, Abumsi, did you do pap? Did you do cream? Oh yes, so I have, I'll give you. I'll give you. And guess what? Our problem in the house is, even though we have things that we're believing God for, food is not our problem. Yes, even though we have things that we are believing God that, you know, it will soon mature, materialize, God will come through and all, you know, our problem is not we don't have anything to eat. Is what will you eat? If I'm calling my husband on my drive back from work, I will call him, I will say, baby, what do you want to eat? Not we don't have anything to eat in the house. So we do, we have bulk shopping that we do. The children are very comfortable. In fact, they carry varieties to school. Their teacher is saying that when Kaito and Kama, in fact, when Kaito especially opens his fried rice in school, the aroma that they perceive, the aroma that they perceive from the fried rice and chicken, and you tell me that, you guys,
Eh? Give, it shall be given unto you. Good measure, press shaking together and running over. Yeah, so you're perceiving my son's what they call it, fried rice. But yeah, the problem in the house is not we don't have anything to eat. The problem is, okay, what do you want to eat? Do you want to eat this one with goat meat, or want to eat this one with turkey? And we thank God for always supplying money for food. You know. And one thing I also want to tell you guys is that if you're believing God for a particular thing, maybe a new car or something, and maybe a colleague of yours or somebody of yours buys a new car, don't sit and be analyzing and be envying the person. How did they get the money to buy a new car? Young girl. I'm also a young girl. I know how difficult it is to even save up to 1 million. So how did this person buy a 15 million naira car? Rather, tap into the grace. Gives the person maybe a car wash experience. Tell the person that your first car wash experience, I'll be the one to pay for it. You know, even maybe you buy the liquid soap or anything that the person will use to do washing of the person's car, no, and tap into that grace. You are calling forth, you are calling the team forth, you are calling it forth. Yes, you are calling it forth. So you see me now, what I'm going to be doing is that people that I see that are experiencing the things or enjoying the grace of the things that I want to, you know, I want to tap into these things. Yes, I want to tap into these things. But anyways, you guys have a blessed week. I will come and definitely speak to you guys before this vlog ends. But have a blessed week, and I'll see you guys. Let me start heading to work. Something is just saying, try will see you again on the day of your blessing. May they not be calling you and you will miss the blessing. No, let me try and call him again. May they not be calling you on the day of your blessing. May they not be calling you and you will miss the blessing. Why is it not picking now?
Hello, good morning.
What see you?
My sister, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I don't know.
How body this morning?
I did manage now.
No, say the manage. Say I'm well. I'm healed.
I thank God. I thank God.
Yes, say thank God. Say I'm well.
I'm well.
Yes, I'm healed.
I'm used.
Okay. Another person send me money. May I send for you?
Okay, thank you, my sister.
Send me money. Say make I send for you. So I go send them. So just send me. The person send me money. May I send for you? So just send me accounts. May I send them to you?
Okay, God will help you. Thank you, my sister.
Amen. At least you good. Amen. Amen.
Thank you. I thank God.
Amen.
Thank you,
All right.
Now.
Which one? The access?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Thank you. You guys, something just say call this man again. You know, he's still not strong, but by the grace of God, nothing bad will happen to my Wasiu. Nothing bad will happen to him. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. I say, as you don't receive them, tell yourself, say, where there is life, there is hope.
Okay.
You dey hear me? Where there is life, there is hope. No, they sound like say you dey hopeless. When there is life, there is hope.
Okay.
Okay? And you will get better.
Amen.
You will get better. Okay? All right.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.